Man, am I happy. I have been working on this forever, and I finally got it. I'm ready to drill my well. I got the last part I needed in today, and it's gonna be noisy because it's running. I'm gonna walk up there and show you. Now I have speed control and nobody's gonna get killed. So I'm fixing to go show you what we can do now. This is called an adjustable flow control valve, and getting it to work with my setup is the job. What do y'all think? Better than trying to do it like that. Same thing for reverse. Or forward. There we go. Done deal.